Like most places, Cartagena, Colombia is a city of contradictions. It's a place of extreme wealth, but also of extreme poverty. But it's a place where there's joy to be had. We had a great time in Cartagena, and in this video, we'll start telling you about 8 cool things that you can do while you're there. And when appropriate, I'll link to the activities mentioned in the comment section below. But first, I'm Cassandra from Passport and Soul. And at Passport and Soul, we help BIPOC travelers travel soulfully and with ease. Now back to the video. Cartagena is a bright and vibrant city. It's colorful, exuberant, and hot. It was so hot while we were there. But you can see some of the beauty of it in these pictures. One of the things that I really found interesting to do as we wandered around the streets, and particularly those of the walled city, was to look at the doors of the houses and their interesting door knockers. To me, it was the equivalent of the tiled buildings in Lisbon. And as you can see, I found some really cool ones. Now, if you like music, then Cartagena is the place for you because you'll definitely hear music while you're walking down the street. And one of our favorite places to listen to live music and enjoy some adult beverages is a bar called Café Havana. The drinks were delicious and potent, and the music was on point. It's great for people watching, and there's a ton of stuff on the walls to look at as well. Next up is visiting the Museo del Oro, or the Museum of Gold. Now, you didn't think you were going to get through this video without hearing at least about one museum, did you? If it's sparkly, shiny, or glittery, I'm all over it. So this was a must for us. This museum is smaller than the offshoot of the one located in Bogota, and best of all, it's free. The museum has a beautiful courtyard at its center and exhibits that talk about the history of gold and its relationship to Colombia. And as you can see, I was able to look at many beautiful gold pieces and check their website for their hours. Now, while we were walking around looking at the door knockers, we also found African heritage signs, like the ones you see here. Because you may or may not know, but Cartagena has a long history with Africa. As a matter of fact, San Brasil de Palenque is the first free town for Africans in the Americas, which happened around 1691. But we'll get more to that subject in another video. As you walk around Cartagena, you'll see the Palenque women in their beautiful outfits, and you can pose and take pictures with them for tips, of course. So, you know I'm curious. What were your favorite activities in Cartagena? Let me know in the comments section. So, that's it. The end of part 1 of 8 cool activities to do in Cartagena, Colombia. Stay tuned for part 2 next. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the Passport and Soul channel, and forward this video on to someone else. Until next time.